Back to this third tutorial to help you annotate your clocks. Now at the top here I have just covered a couple of key points that we can talk about as we go through. So we've talked about shape, we can talk about manufacture, the materials, personal opinions, style, design restrictions and aesthetics. Now there's a load of other things we can talk about, but these are some of the main ones. Now we're looking for 8 on each, and what I'm going to do is I'm really going to focus around the manufacturing side, materials and some things about your design restrictions. So remember, when we're annotating, 0.2 to 0.4 fine liner and your arrowhead should be touching what you're talking about. Now the first thing I'm going to say here is the clock face. And all I'm going to say is the clock face is a different colour, which makes it stand out and easy to read, which ties into our design restrictions that we spoke about earlier last week. Now, another thing for the clock face here is the face. The face will actually be cut. It's cut using a hole saw and a jig, so that can tie into your manufacturing. Now as you can see, because these are quite small, the annotations are going to take up or come out quite quickly. Now next one I'm going to focus on the bottom here. I'm just going to say the wide base, keep the clock steady. Alright. Now we can talk about here, there's actually going to be 13 pieces of acrylic. Used. Now when we want to talk about more about the material, you can go over some of the facts you learned about it last year about being a thermoplastic and a few other parts of its character strengths and limitations, so we can go through all of that. Now personal opinion, it can be something as simple as green stands out well, says it well, and is my favourite colour. Now as you can see, as we go, we just need to make sure that we're coming around and spreading that out. Another thing can be here, the shape is simple but achievable. Personal opinion could be the green and orange work well together. So as you can see, the page is filling up very quickly as we go along. Put one more in here, and it can be edges sanded using universal sander. Being your 4th project in the department, a lot of the manufacturing things will come to you very quickly, but make sure when you're annotating that you're actually putting in the information and not giving one-word examples. And again, as you can see, how important it is to spread out your sketches, because this is going to fill up very quickly. If you have any issues after watching these videos, please don't hesitate to either come and see me or send me a direct message.